Hi everyone, let us start with algebra exercise 3.4 and question number 3. So here, if x plus a, x plus b and x plus c is equal to this, find the value of a plus b. We are given 4 questions based on that. So before going to the question, since it is of the type x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, let's have a quick recap of this formula. So in this formula, what is happening is x plus a, x plus b and x plus c, which is equal to, now remember, x cube, and the coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c into x square, and coefficient of x is ab, bc, ca. All you have to add together, and then your constant of a plus b, a, b and c. So with this, let's move on to our question. So in our question, we are given a polynomial, and that is your x plus a, x plus b, and x plus c. We know that this x plus a and x plus b can be expressed in this type. So first, let us write our polynomial. So first, we have to be thorough with the formula. So I have written the formula over here, and next I have written the given equation which is stated: x plus a, x plus b, and x plus c. Now, if you compare here, we can observe a few things. What is there is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c is there, and this is 1 minute. Yeah, and this is also the same. So given is same as your formula. So we can compare these two equations. So comparing this, what we get is a plus b plus c, which is the coefficient of your x square in the formula is same as 14. So a plus b plus c, you can take it as 14. Next, ab plus ba plus ca. So ab plus bc plus CA. So these are equal to 59 because these are the coefficient of x. So you can write it as 59, and finally our constant term ABC is equal to 70. So this is the inference from the given question. So with this we are going to solve our questions which is asked. So now the first question is the same as a plus find the value of, you have to find the value of all the given steps. First is find the value of a plus b plus c. So we have already found that value. So this is our first step. A plus b plus c is equal to 14. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. So let me write it down. So in the second part, we have to find this. But we don't know the value of A, B and C individually. So let's try taking the LCMs here and figure it out. So the first question, our LCM will be, first part, our LCM will be A, B, C. So here we have got a A in the bottom. So which means, I'll write it down separately. A, we have to make it our LCM as A, B, C. So that will be equal to, we have to multiply a BC on the top and a BC on the top. So this will be BC by ABC. So instead of 1 by A, you can write it as BC. Right? So if you want, let me write it out individually. BC by ABC. And next will be your 1 by B. 1 by B also, you have to find it in the same way. You have to take the LCM and make it as, you have to find as A, B, C. So 1 by B, you have to multiply by AC on both the numerator and denominator. So that will be your AC by ABC. So this becomes your AC by ABC. And substituting 1 by B as this AC by ABC. In the similar way, if you find the LCM for C, can you say what it will be? Yes, just ignore C and write. So that will be AB by ABC. So with this part, we have formed the denominators as same. So next step will be, just put your denominator, you are adding a like fraction, which means the denominator is same, just add the numerator, BC plus AC plus AB. Now can you say what will be the value of this? Yes, this is same as this, what you are find and kept. So that will be here 59, just the order of terms is changed. 59 by ABC is 70. So 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C will be equal to 59 by 70. So let's move on to the next. So in this question, if you see, a square plus b square plus c square. This is what we have to find. But we don't know the value of a, b or c because we just know only a plus b plus c or ab plus bc plus ca or abc. These are only known. We don't know anything other than that. So we have to just quickly apply some formulas we have already studied. So the first one, this formula we have already studied. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In this what I have done is, here I have taken the 2 as common. So this might also you might have studied. So I have, for easier understanding I have written that also. This 2 is nothing but I have taken 2 common here. So 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now from this I have arrived at one more conclusion. What is this A plus B plus C the whole square? I have kept it as such. But this what I have done is, this fully I have taken it to the other side. So minus 2AB BCCA and this equal to, I have kept it as such. Now if you could see, we have arrived at your formula. What does that means? A square plus B square plus C square. This is what we need. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to, I have written this fully. Now I am going to write this fully. That will be A plus B plus C the whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so now if you could see, we know the value of this, right, from our question. So from our question, the value of A plus B plus C is nothing but 14. We have find it out here, right? A plus B plus C is 14. And then, so that will be a 14 square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is 59. So this is very important. This arriving at this formula is very important. If you know already directly, you can write it directly, or you have to write this formula and arrive it step by step. Now what we have to do is, we have to know the value of 14 square. If you know, you write it directly, else you multiply and write it. So 14 square is nothing but 196 minus 59 into 2 is 118. Okay. So do this carefully, and then if you subtract this, you can find it as 8 and 7. Okay. So this is the answer. So the first and foremost, you need to know this formula, or you can directly write this formula, this one, and arrive at your answers. In maths, it's not like you have to write only the formulas you studied in this class. You can write all the formulas you have studied till this grade. If you are in 9th now, then till 9th, whatever you have studied in 8th, 7th, 6th, you can apply everywhere. In algebra, that is the main thing of solving any questions. So we have arrived at a conclusion from this question, which means A square plus B square plus C square is equal to, your answer is 78. So now let us move on to the next question, the final question. So the next part of the question is A by BC, B by AC and C by AB. Here also we don't know the value of A, B, C separately. So let's solve this question a bit and then we can apply the answer. So what we are going to do is nothing but we have to take our LCMs. So what could be our LCM? Yes, our LCM is nothing but we have to take, if you see here, BC and AC and AB, right? From this you have to take your LCM. So your LCM will be your ABC. Okay. This has a BC, this has a AC, and this has a AB. So your LCM will come as ABC. So first, if you see, if you need a ABC here, you have what and all you have got here. You have got C and B. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by A. So if you want, let me write it in the other way. Since your LCM is ABC, what you have to multiply here? Both numerator and denominator by an A. And next, here also, you have got AC. So what you have to multiply here? You have to multiply with your B. So both your numerator and denominator gets multiplied with B. And the third step will be AB. And what you have got here? AB only. So you have to multiply with your C. Since you can write it as, since your LCM is equal to ABC. So we are doing this. And now the next step will be A square by ABC, right? Plus B square by ABC. And then The next one will be c square by ABC. So now this will be, you have got ABC as common, and then you have to put a square plus b square plus c square. Now, if you could see, we don't know the value of a square plus b square plus c square. But in the previous question, see, we have figured this out. So you can use this only if you use the previous question answer. But if suppose you didn't find this answer, then what we have to do is, in the same way, you have to put this formula. See, if I apply directly, the question will end here. A, B, C, A square plus B square is C square is 78, and your A, B, C value, if you see here, that is given as your 70. So this is your final answer. But suppose this question is not given, means you have to simplify it further. So how we simplify it is, again the same formula, A square plus B square plus C square formula, I have written here, right? The same one you have to write. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square. Okay, you remember it, it will be useful in many of the places. Plus AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, plus CA by your ABC. So now we know from the question we can take it as we know the value of ABC. That we can write it because in the question it is given, right? ABC we have figured it out. So either you can write A plus B plus C the whole square value which we have figured from the question. So if you know A plus B plus C value is 40 and this value is 59. So let's apply that over there. So I am going to apply here. A plus B plus C the whole square value is again 14, right? So 14 square minus 2 into 59. See, we have arrived at the same of this. So that's why I wrote that. So if you want, you can write here one more step also. So this is again nothing but this is equal to 196 minus 180 by here, I forgot the by your ABC. What is your ABC? That is your 70, right? So then this is also by 70. So this will be equal to 78 by 70. So this is how we arrive at the answer. So I'll give a clear note of this in the next slide. Hope you understood this question. I have applied all the values interchange here and there. So do apply it properly and we'll see in the next question. Thank you.